Did you know that a brain the size of a grain of sand could hold the secrets to understanding human thought and behavior? In 2023, scientists achieved a groundbreaking milestone by mapping the entire brain of a fruit fly. This incredible feat is revolutionizing neuroscience, AI, and even medicine. Let's explore how this was done, the fascinating stories behind it, and why it's a game changer for the future. In 2023, researchers from Johns Hopkins University, USA, and the University of Cambridge, UK, completed the first ever mapping or connectomy of the fruit fly brain Drosophila melanogaster. This intricate map consists of 3,016 neurons and 548,000 synaptic connections, revealing every neural pathway in the fly's central brain. The fruit fly's brain may be tiny, but this discovery could have big implications for understanding complex brains, including ours. The project was led by Professor Joshua Vogelstein from Johns Hopkins University and Dr. Marta Zlatic from the University of Cambridge. Their teams combined expertise in neuroscience, computer science, and biology to tackle this Herculean task. The project took over 12 years of relentless effort, supported by advanced technology and global collaboration. Dr. Zlatic describes the process as decoding a living circuit board. She explained that this connectomy provides a blueprint of how neurons work together to generate behavior, a breakthrough in understanding how thoughts and decisions emerge from the brain. But how did they do it? Mapping the brain involved slicing the fruit fly's brain into thousands of ultra-thin layers, each about 20 nanometers thick, 500 times thinner than a human hair. These layers were imaged using state-of-the-art electron microscopes, producing terabytes of data. The images were then analyzed using machine learning algorithms to reconstruct the neural network in 3D. This process was akin to assembling a puzzle with over 500,000 pieces, each representing a synapse. What made the task even more challenging was the need to differentiate between individual neurons and their complex connections. The final result is a digital connectomy, where researchers can zoom in on every neuron and pathway, much like Google Maps for the brain. Now, you might wonder, why focus on a fruit fly? Fruit flies have been a cornerstone of scientific research for over a century. They're easy to study, reproduce rapidly, and share around 60% of human disease-related genes. Their relatively simple brain, yet with enough complexity to exhibit learning, memory, and decision-making, makes them an ideal model for understanding fundamental principles of neuroscience. Here's a fascinating tidbit. While analyzing the connectomy, the scientists discovered a surprising feature in the fruit fly brain, a circuit for multisensory integration. This allows the fly to combine inputs from its eyes and antennae to make quick decisions, such as avoiding predators or finding food. For example, they discovered how a fly determines whether to turn left or right, essentially mimicking a simple form of free will. Imagine if AI robots could mimic this ability to combine vision and touch to navigate their environments, enabling machines to think more like living organisms. Another anecdote, the researchers found a shortcut circuit in the fly's brain that helps it decide whether to fly or walk in less than a second. This level of efficiency inspired engineers to think about improving AI's speed in processing complex data. As of today, the fruit fly connectomy is a model system for further studies. Researchers are using this map to test hypotheses about how learning and memory occur at the neural level. The team is now focusing on scaling the technology to map more complex brains, like those of mice. Scaling up is no small task. The human brain has about 86 billion neurons and 100 trillion synapses, an astronomical leap in complexity. However, with the rapid advancements in AI, imaging technology, and quantum computing, scientists believe we are on the verge of breakthroughs that were once thought impossible. Potential applications of this groundbreaking discovery: 1. Medical research. Understanding the connectomy could lead to better treatments for neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and autism. 2. Artificial intelligence. By mimicking the structure and efficiency of biological brains, we could create AI systems that are more adaptable and capable of learning in real time. 3. Robotics. Autonomous machines could benefit from biologically inspired decision-making circuits. The mapping of the fruit fly brain isn't just a milestone in neuroscience, it's a step toward unraveling the mysteries of the human mind. This digital connectomy has already inspired innovations in medicine, AI, and engineering, proving that even the tiniest creatures can unlock enormous possibilities. What do you think this discovery means for the future of neuroscience and artificial intelligence? Could the connectomy of a fruit fly bring us closer to understanding ourselves? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing stories about science and innovation.